Our center is in Turkey. From Turkey, we provide real-life support to the United States. Daily life in the USA moves fast with work, responsibilities, and constant decisions. Kadim Rehberlik helps you bring more clarity and structure into this busy pace. Busy schedules can make it hard to stay organized and focused. Kadim Rehberlik helps you set priorities and manage your time more effectively. Sometimes everything comes at once, and life can feel out of control. Kadim Rehberlik helps you bring order and balance back into your routine. Work pressure can make clear thinking more difficult. Kadim Rehberlik helps you make calmer and more confident decisions. Relationships can feel challenging when communication is not clear. Kadim Rehberlik helps you express yourself more openly and clearly. This is practical support for daily decisions and responsibilities. Kadim Rehberlik helps you turn challenges into clear and manageable steps. This is simple and sincere support within real life. Kadim Rehberlik offers realistic and practical guidance for everyday situations. Better planning helps you use your time more efficiently. Kadim Rehberlik strengthens your planning habits and sense of control. Clear thinking makes complex situations easier to manage. Kadim Rehberlik helps you simplify your thoughts and choices. Strong organization builds confidence in daily life. Kadim Rehberlik helps you create a more stable and reliable routine. In New York, people manage intense schedules and high expectations. Kadim Rehberlik supports you in staying balanced within this fast pace. In Los Angeles, balance requires structure and clear priorities. Kadim Rehberlik helps you define what matters most and stay focused. In Chicago, smart decisions shape steady progress. Kadim Rehberlik helps you strengthen your decision-making process. In Miami, fast-paced life needs strong direction and focus. Kadim Rehberlik helps you keep your direction clear and stable. In Houston, responsibility and organization go hand in hand. Kadim Rehberlik helps you carry responsibilities with stronger structure. Managing daily stress starts with better planning. Kadim Rehberlik helps you reduce pressure through clearer organization. Clear direction helps you move forward with confidence. Kadim Rehberlik helps you see your goals more clearly. Better organization improves both work and relationships. Kadim Rehberlik helps you create balance in all areas of life. Feeling understood starts with expressing yourself clearly. Kadim Rehberlik helps you communicate with more confidence and clarity. Success becomes easier when your life is more organized. Kadim Rehberlik helps you build a stronger and more stable path forward. This support helps you organize your life and your decisions. Kadim Rehberlik gives you practical tools to regain control. Kadim Rehberlik supports you inside real city life, not outside of it. Kadim Rehberlik is present in the United States with practical guidance. Kadim Rehberlik is with you in the USA, just one call away.